Welcome to the world of trading, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. We're diving deep into the crucial strategies that separate successful traders from the rest: intraday trading, options trading, and long-term investment. These strategies are not just about making quick bucks, they're about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and ultimately building lasting wealth. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful trading? Buckle up and let's get started. Now we're curious, what's been your experience with trading so far? Let's dive into the dynamic realm of intraday trading. Also known as day trading, it's akin to a turbocharged chess game where the board morphs every single second. Involving the purchase and selling of securities all within one trading day, it leaves you unbound once the market closes. No overnight risks, a clean slate every day. The charm of intraday trading is in the swift movements. It's a haven for those possessing sharp perception and nimble minds. If you've been in awe of a surfer gallantly riding the waves, you'll comprehend the exhilaration of day trading. Every wave symbolizes an opportunity, with the objective being to ride it profitably before it collapses. How does one capitalize on these fleeting market oscillations? The answer lies in understanding trends and patterns. Keep a vigilant eye on the market, and its rhythm amidst the chaos will start to become apparent. Technical analysis tools are invaluable allies in this pursuit, helping you decode market trends and make informed choices. Consider them your surfboard, aiding you to maneuver the market's waves. But bear in mind, much like surfing, intraday trading demands practice and patience. It's not purely about swift actions, it's about making well-timed, accurate moves. This is when risk management becomes pivotal. Establish your stop losses and profit targets so you know when to withdraw from trade, be it a win or a loss. Now on to the perks. The potential for quick profits is the most evident. However, there's more. Intraday trading grants you the flexibility to operate in bull, bear, and stagnant markets. You're unhindered by long-term market. And the absence of overnight risk ensures peaceful slumbers, devoid of nightmares about waking up to a market decline. Intraday trading isn't for everyone. It's for those who relish the thrill of the pursuit, who flourish in dynamic environments, and possess the discipline to adhere to their trading plan. If you're among them, the world of day trading eagerly awaits you. Do you think about intraday trading? Have you ever tried it? Proceeding next, we delve deep into the strategic domain of options trading. In the expansive and diverse world of trading, options trading commands a distinct position. It's an arena where adaptability meets chance, offering the astute trader a territory filled with immense potential. But what exactly is options trading? Essentially, options trading is a variant of derivative trading, involves a contract that provides you the privilege, although not the duty, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a precise price on or prior to a predetermined date. There are two primary categories of options: call options and put options. A call option bestows upon you the right to purchase an asset at a predetermined price within specified time limit. Conversely, a put option grants you the right to sell an asset at a fixed price within a designated time frame. It's akin to making a reservation, with the added advantage of deciding later whether or not to carry out the transaction. But why choose options trading? The appeal of options stems from their flexibility. They enable you to speculate on both the ascent and descent of market prices. This indicates that you can earn profits in a bull market, bear market, or even a stagnant market. The catch is that your risk is confined to the amount you paid for the option. Thus, even if the market makes an abrupt U-turn, your loss won't exceed what you initially invested. However, bear in mind, with significant opportunities comes accountability. Options trading demands a comprehensive grasp of the market and strategic planning. It's not merely about forecasting market trends, but also about comprehending the subtleties of various options and how to leverage them to your benefit. Have you ever contemplated options trading? What aspect of it attracts you the most? Let's journey into the world of long-term investment. In the swift pace of life, patience is a virtue often overlooked. Yet, as experienced traders will confirm, the journey to prosperity is not a sprint, but a marathon. Have you tried your hand at long-term investment? This is about acquiring and retaining assets for an extended time frame, typically years or even decades. While some might find this pace too slow, the strategy has repeatedly shown its effectiveness in the trading world. What's the secret behind its success, you might wonder? The answer: compounding. Compounding interest is your investments gradually accumulating and expanding. With each reinvestment, your returns start to earn too. And this cycle of growth perpetuates, enhancing your wealth exponentially over time. It's like a patiently nourished seed evolving into a mighty tree. And let's remember dividends. Many long-term investments, such as stocks, often yield dividends. These dividends can be reinvested to acquire more shares, further fueling the compounding cycle. It's a rewarding cycle of growth that demands patience, but yields generous returns eventually. But there's more to it. Long-term investment is also associated with lower tax rates on capital gains. That's right. The longer you retain your assets, the less tax you'll need to pay on selling them. So, by adopting long-term investment, not solely amassing wealth, you're constructing a financial fortress capable of withstanding market instability and enduring through time. It's a strategy that values patience over haste and wisdom over recklessness. But every strategy has its advantages and disadvantages, and each trader has their unique objectives and risk tolerance. So, while long-term investment can guide you towards prosperity, it's essential to ascertain whether it aligns with your financial goals. What has been your experience long-term investment? Do you consider patience to be one of your strengths? Well, there you have it, 3 potent trading strategies at your fingertips. Weave through the lightning-fast world of intraday trading, where agility and precision are crucial. This strategy thrives on capitalizing on short-term market fluctuations. It's a thrilling ride, but it demands a keen focus and a firm understanding of market dynamics. We then ventured into the strategic realm of options trading. Here, flexibility pairs with opportunity, allowing you to speculate on market directions with limited risk. The key here lies in comprehending the intricacies of call and put options. This isn't just a game of luck, but of strategy, so ensure you're fluent in the rules before you dive in. Lastly, we crossed into the domain of long-term investment. Never underestimate the virtue of patience. With the power of compounding interest and dividends over time, you have the potential to construct your financial fortress. It's less about the thrill of the trade and more about the pleasure of witnessing your wealth increase steadily. Each strategy carries its own benefits and challenges. What works for one trader may not work for another. It's about discovering what aligns with your personal objectives and risk tolerance. Remember, in trading, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. It's a journey, and you're the navigator. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these trading strategies resonates most with your goals and risk appetite? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, trade smart.